It is currently 2 o'clock, and it's time to set off my siren. And it's just temporary right now. I've actually got plans on putting it on a rotator, but for now it's just sitting there temporarily. And I'm gonna have it set off Westminster chimes. So I'm gonna try to set the camera down somewhere so it's not gonna fall. Alright, here we go. Golly, that's loud. Should I do whale? I think I will. I think I'll do whale real quick. Alternate whale, actually. Actually, this ain't whale, but whatever. Here we go. Alright, that was painful. So let's go over the inside of this. Set it back to manual test. Alright, this is the Siren. And basically, there used to be an electric fence controller here. So there was an outlet. So, outlet goes in here. I just put a little receptacle in. So I can have the PA power supply and the Arduino power supply. I was gonna use something like an AT Tiny, but I didn't have any available, so yeah. So it's just a very simple script. It's got a LED telling me when the timer interval flashes, and then a rotor LED, which is basically just telling me if it's outputting any sound. So here. So yeah, it's completely variable. Like I can control it. In the future, what I'm thinking of doing is this is the building. I'm thinking of making a rotator and putting it up there on that chimney that's not in use anymore. So it'll be up there on that chimney, and then I can just run the wire right down here, right out this chimney access hatch, because it's not used. I can just run the wire right up into here, right into the bottom of this. And I'm also planning on making it radio controlled. I just didn't feel like making a 2-tone decoder or a DTMF decoder to do that, but I can if I want to. Anyways, so yeah, hope y'all enjoyed. Have a good day. That concludes the siren test.
Thank you.